free text-to-video AI generator instantly turns your script into a video in seconds. Have you ever felt excited to create an AI animation for your YouTube channel or freelancing work, but the moment you open the tools, it says "Buy now" to continue? I know exactly how that felt. You are motivated to create content, but every tool asks for payment before you even learn how to use it. Today, I'm going to solve that problem for you. In this video, I will share an amazing all-in-one AI animation tools that allows you to create videos, images, and animations completely free. Yes, you heard that right. Not just a trial, you can actually practice and create multiple videos daily with this tool. Stay with me until the end because I will guide you through how to use this tool step by step, its most powerful features, how to maximize your free credit, and a simple method to bypass daily limits so you can create unlimited videos without spending anything. If you are serious about becoming a content creator without paying for expensive AI subscription, this is the video you can't miss. Let's dive into today's main topic. The tools I'm sharing is called Morph Studio. It's all-in-one AI animation and content creation platform with 4 powerful features. Turn text into images, convert images into videos, create videos directly from text prompts, change your video style to cartoons, watercolor, comic book, and more. Imagine creating explained videos, YouTube shorts, reels, and thumbnails in minutes without needing multiple apps. That's how powerful and time-saving Morph Studio is. How to access Morph Studio? Here's how to start using Morph Studio right now. Open Google Chrome, search for Morph Studio, click on the official website, click Get Started for free. Then click Continue with Google. Choose your Gmail account and login. Within seconds, you'll be inside the dashboard ready to create videos for your YouTube channel and freelancing projects and personal brand. Feature number 1, text to image first. Let's create an AI image from text. In the top left, click text to image. Wait 5 to 10 seconds for it to load. You'll see a prompt box appear. Type your detailed description. Example prompt: a majestic white tiger lying on a mossy rock and a dense and enhanced forest surrounded by glowing blue fireflies, soft morning mist, highly detailed fur texture, ultra realistic style, cinematic lighting, digital art, 4K. Paste your prompt. For free users, only the fractional model is available. Choose your aspect ratio. 16:9 is perfect for YouTube thumbnails. Click Generate. In about 30 to 40 seconds, you get a high-resolution AI image ready to download. The quality is comparable to paid tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Click Generate. In about 30 to 40 seconds, you get a high-resolution AI image ready to download. The quality is comparable to paid tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Feature number 2, image to video. Next, let's animate your image into a short video. Click on the image you just created. You see 2 models for image to video. Choose either one. Set the duration up to 5 seconds. Select resolution up to 720p for free users. Click Generate. In about 1 minute, your static image becomes an animated video, perfect for real short or video intros. Feature number 3, text to video. This is my favorite feature. Click text to video, paste any detailed prompts describing the video you want. Example prompt: a playful baby panda sitting on fresh green bamboo leaves, holding a bamboo shoot, bright natural daylight, ultra realistic fur detail, soft focus background with blurry bamboo forest, adorable expression, digital art, 4K. Choose the model. Set duration 5 seconds is great for reels and short. Choose 9:16 aspect ratio for vertical videos. Click generate. Within 1 to 2 minutes, you get a video directly from your text prompt without needing to generate separate images first. Perfect for storytelling shorts, business motivation videos, or branding content. Feature number 4, video style transfer. Finally, you can change your existing videos into different artistic styles. Click video style transfer. Upload any video you want to edit. Choose from styles like cartoon, watercolor, comic book, and more. Click generate. In minutes, your video will transform into a completely new eye-catching style ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, or client projects. Here are how credits work on Morph Studio. When you first sign up, you get 200 free credits. Tag to image costs 2 credits per image. Image to video, text to video costs 10 credits per video. After that, you get 100 free credits daily, allowing you to create about 10 videos every day for free. Secret methods, unlimited video daily. But what if you want to create more than 10 videos a day? Here's a simple method. Create multiple Gmail accounts. Each Gmail account gives you fresh daily credit. You can also try temporary emails, but they sometimes cause errors, so proper Gmail accounts are safer. Using this method, you can create unlimited video daily to grow your content creation business or YouTube channel. Why these tools matters, friends? Morph Studios is a game changer for creators, students, freelancers, and small YouTubers who want to build the skills and create content without paying for expensive subscription. With Morph Studio, you can generate powerful AI visuals, creating engaging shorts and reels, grow your YouTube channel and freelancing business faster than ever. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, and it doesn't cost you anything in return, and I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment below, tell me which AI or tutorial you want next. I see you in the next method with another powerful tools to make your life easier. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.